Man, that was a movie.
That is it. I'm getting myself a car.
Oh, hi! Oh, hi! Rod, Nat tells me that you are Rod.
She did, huh?
Rod.
So Natalie tells me you recently retired.
And she mentioned that you were going to take an early retirement. Oh, I love the retirement. You know, I really like retirement.
Wow, Natalie's...
Natalie?
Oh, thanks, Rod. I appreciate that.
Hello.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can I get you anything?
We're still looking at the menu. Thank you.
I really enjoyed meeting. I was so lonely.
So, do you think
Maybe. Do you think I'm the ideal man?
you know, Rod, I was just kidding. I'm not. All I want is you.
Battery's dead.
Can they get in?
Go and fuck yourself.
That should hold them.